Hey guys, Eric here with Memphis Wood Fire Grills. Today we're going to show you how to replace the blower on a Memphis ITC3. Let's go check it out. The first thing that we're going to do is disconnect the power cord from the outlet. The tools that you'll need for this is simply a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. So what we'll do from the back side of the grill is simply remove the 2 stainless steel screws. There's one here and there's one here. That will allow us to lift up and remove off the back panel. From here, we're going to locate the wire harness for the blower. So here's the blower right here. We're going to follow the blower all the way to the logic board's connection point. Now that we removed the wire harness, all we have to do now is remove the 2 mounting screws to release the blower. So once we remove the 2 mounting screws, the blower just simply lifts up and pulls off. One thing to note is you can see there's a little cutout here that draws in airflow from the blower and then into the cook chamber. And so when you're reinstalling the new blower, it's important to make sure everything lines back up. From there, all you have to do is replace the 2 mounting screws and then reconnect the wire harness to the logic board. Once you replace the new blower, all you have to do is put the back panel on and keep grilling.